In this video, I'm gonna trap two brothers in an island. They should eat something or they will die. Their foot kept going and going, and they couldn't catch them. The big brother gave up, and now the little brother gonna handle this. The little brother couldn't keep his focus on. So the big brother joined him. After this hunt, they remember that they were vegans. Bro, I'm so fucking hungry. What's that? There's a tree nearby. Yo! We got the tree! I should say for my homeboys. Yo! Siraj! Come! He's running. We find food. He's injured. What? I should go help him.
Found this man. He's injured.
He's my brother, bro. Leave him. Oh, bro. Bro, look at his knee, bro. Guys, we ate. But it's late now. We should make a shelter. Oh. Find a stick. Okay, I'm gonna grab a couple of sticks and make a home. This is gonna be our rope when we're gonna make the shelter. So I made this shelter. I can sleep here. And it has a toilet in here. Here is a full of vitamin water supply. I'm gonna sleep here. See you tomorrow. What the